channel. What's going on? What's good? What's popping? How y'all doing? So today I'm going to be doing a quick little cute some light hairstyle on an old wash and go. That's why my hair looking like this, by the way. So yeah, let's use it. Just now it can be looking. So yeah, and all I'm going to be using for this hairstyle is my handy dandy eco style gel, and yeah, that's about it. So y'all do enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get into it. Ew. So now I'm just going to give my hair like a side part. Y'all pray for me. Oh my god. I basically parted out a small section to the front of my hair, but then again it gotta be big enough to subsection into a smaller and larger part.
I'm really hoping you don't waste no time with me. You know I can really go. Baby girl, you could be my fantasy, and I love it when your waist go around, girl. I'm really.
Alright y'all, so now I'm just going to put this away and I'll come back to this part just now. Yo, I look like a unicorn! Oh my god! Oh my god. Unicorn Chalizo. Anyways, let me stop playing. So here I'm just hydrating my hair to detangle it a bit, because this was some crusty ass, old ass, dry ass hair. Why y'all ain't tell me? We gonna slap some gel on here. Boom boom. Boom boom boom.
So your knees, girl, walk up your waist and bring it up slow, girl. Go and perform now, put on the show, girl. Rock and come in, girl. Wind up it slow now, bring up your bumper, roll it and roll, girl. Wind up your waist and bring it up slow, girl. Go and perform now, put on the show, girl. Rock and come in, girl. Wind it up slow, girl. Bring up your bumper, roll it and roll, girl. I love it when you walk up your waist, girl. Baby, I love it when you whine for me. Baby, don't play no games, girl. I'm really hoping you don't waste no time with me. You know I can really go. Baby girl, you could be my fantasy, and I love it when your waist go around, girl. I'm really hoping that you're gonna run for me. Girl, you looking good, can you put it on me? You got me feeling on your waist when you moving slowly. I asked her where she from, and she said she training.
Okay y'all, so now I have a small section and a big section. So I'm going to braid these backwards.
I can't keep my distance. And I want you wind up your waist, girl. Bring it up slow, girl. Go and perform and put on a show, girl. Rock and go mid, let me see you go low, girl. Now you me need, girl. And I want you wind up your waist and bring it up slow, girl. You go and perform and put on a show, girl. I love it when you walk up your waist, girl. Baby, I love it when you whine for me. Baby, don't play no games, girl. I'm really hoping you don't waste no time with me. I know I can really go. Baby girl, you could be my fantasy, and I love it when your waist go around, girl. I'm really hoping that you're gonna run.
Now I'm just going to take some gel and smooth back here. Like these first don't know for chill, but anyways. And it's time to do my edges.
Girl, I beat you from afar.
So basically what I'm going to be doing with these two braids is taking this and then you'll need a bobby pin.
See, I'ma shoot my shot and I'ma jack it from deep. And I don't give a about them niggas you see. Cause baby, I got ceilings full of stars. Come and take a ride, shorty, hop up in the car. Tell me how would you like it if you was my shorty and we could go roll the time. Girl, rich on them niggas, I just wanna see you smile. Baby, come and come over, come ride on this coaster, cause we could go round and round. Girl, I need me somebody to love me and trust me, so let me know if you down. I said, baby, let's ride through the floor. See, show on your dress.
And then you just join it in the bun like that.
Girl, you a tease while you being so naughty, yo. Wind it up, bring it to me like oh. Back it up, push it on me real slow. Cause girl, you in need of somebody, a partner in crime like a Clyde to a Bonnie. Bust it open like it was your birthday. Little lady, you ain't runner up, you was first place. Come on, baby, don't play. See it all on your face. Looking for a groovy nigga to pull up at your place. Tell me how would you like it? I know you excited. I know that you like me to ride it. I pipe it. Stars on the roof, keep it lit when we ride it. Tell all the dudes it be me that you ride with. Tell me how would you like it if you was my shorty and we could go roll the time.
Alright, it's time to see what's going on here.
Just wanna see you smile. Baby, come and come over, come ride on this coaster, cause we could go round and round. Girl, I need me somebody to love me and trust me, so let me know if you down. Tell me how would you like it? Yeah. Tell me how would you like it?
Alright y'all, so this is the finished style. If you don't like it with the frill, you can do it with a bun, but yeah, this is it. I like it. Oh my god, I like it. This is the first time. I like it. I'm proud. If you don't like it with the frill, you could do it with a bun. Doesn't matter. But yeah, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. I'm gonna put it up back. I look pretty cute though. Is it just me? Or I look mad cute. Ew.